Hello everyone, I'm Benjamin. Welcome to this tutorial on how to install code blocks on your operating system. Basically, I'm basing on Windows because I don't have the Linux and Mac operating systems on my machine, but I'll ensure that in the shortest time possible I get the tutorials to you. So the PC is necessary. Then we are going to install code blocks on our PC so that we get the right tool to use to code our C and C++ programs. I'll go to my Firefox browser. On my Firefox browser, on the search bar, I'll search for code blocks. I'll go to their direct site. So when I go there, I'll look for downloads. After you can read through and you get to know more. Then I'll go to download the binary release. I'll click there. Sorry, let me use this for more clarifications. Yeah. So they will say that binary releases, please select and set up packages depending on your platform. Windows, there is Linux and Mac OS. Note, for older OSs uses older releases. These releases of many OS version platform on sourceforge.net page. Yeah. So more I'm interested on Windows. So on Windows there are very many setups. There is that first setup here, and there is this one with non-admin. There is this one with min GW. There is this 32-bit. There is this min GW. There is this 32-bit. So to me, if you go down and read more, they will say the code blocks 20.03 setup file includes code blocks with all plugins. The one with setup non-admin is provided for convenience to users that do not have administrator rights on their machines. So then the note that this one with min GW setup includes a GCC and G++, G-Fortran compiler, and GDB debugger. So we are interested in this. You get. So since we are interested in this, we shall go to the setups and click on this. It will help us install the GCC, G++, G-Fortran compiler, and GDB debugger, since we need to compile our programs and as well as debug our programs. So you help me read about some 2 points. Find out what is a debugger, find out what is a compiler, as well as reading about more IDEs and different compilers and debuggers. So we'll click on sourceforge.net. So when I go to sourceforge.net, I swear I will download my code blocks file from. They will show download the latest version, which is 152 MBs. I'll click to download it. Yeah. So it might take time to download. Yeah, it might take time to download. With my IDM. Okay, it shows the package. So since I'm using IDM, I'll click start. So you see the time. So let me pause this. I go direct to my setup, which I have. So where my setup? It's here. It's already downloaded. I'll double click on it to install. So they will say, do you want to allow this app from unknown publisher to make changes on your device? Automatically yes, because it's not by Microsoft. Yeah. So they will say setup will guide you through. I click next to continue. Yeah, still I continue. So here we will see that check the components you want to install and uncheck the components you don't want to install, but we're interested in all components for the moment. Yeah. So then I'll click next. It will choose where to install itself, the browser, program files, code blocks, and then it will start the installation process. as we are waiting for the installation process, C and C++ are highly used programming languages in the world, and used in daily applications all over the world, and they're highly paying. So don't say, when I start, where will I end? Just focus, master, be good at that what you know, so that when they pin out the 10 people who are good at C and C++ in your community, you are among them. The more you contribute to open source, the more you practice, the more you master, the more you learn, the more you help. Yeah. So it's taking some good time, but it's installing everything. Please wait while CodeBlocks is being installed. So don't worry, everything will be fine. I would have paused and later come back, but let's just continue with the process. Shortly it will be done. There are many IDs. There is CFree. Do you want to run CodeBlocks now? Automatically, yes. Then I'll click next here. I'll finish. So note, you see the icon, CodeBlocks is here. So we are going to see whether we have installed our CodeBlocks, whether it has the debugger and the compiler. So what we'll do, we'll come to file, new project. When we see new project, here there are ARM project, Avia, Arduino. There are many projects. You can choose depending on what you're going to do. But me, I'm interested in a console application. Then I will choose the console application, click there, and click here on go. So I'll click next. I will choose C++ because if I'm interested in that, or not if I'm interested in this. I'll click there. So I'll set project name. Let me say hello world. Hello world. So this is a folder to create a project in. It's in my documents. You get it's my documents. It's here. Then there is project file name, then resulting file. Then I'll click next. So you see, there are many compilers. They are already in. Blah blah blah, GNU and every other thing. But our main aim is GNU GCC. Just leave it like that. A debugger and everything, finish. So this is our main .cpp. So if it's this, we shall to run this app, this project, we shall have to first build it. This is the build button. You can go through all the toolbars. So I'll click on here to build. So the process terminated with status error 0. Then I might run it. Hello world. You get. Let me see if I create here termination and I build. So the debugger will show us it has build, debug in, hello world, compile again. There is an error because of this token. That means we have a debugger and we have a what? A compiler already set for our projects. Thank you for watching. hopefully we are going to start from here another time. Thanks very much.